how to change the response mode of your webhook in n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the response mode of your n8n webhooks workflow. So for that, let me quickly add a simple webhook node in my workflow. And as you can see, I have added this node. And what you can do is while initializing the node or while initializing the webhook, you can simply select this respond mode. From the respond, you have these four options. First one is immediately. So this means that the webhook will respond as soon as the node executes. We have the when last node finishes. This means returns data of the last executed node. We have using respond to webhook node and streaming node. So from the one that you prefer, you can simply determine the same. If you want to change this on to an already existing webhook, simply double click and under respond, you can find the same settings again. So that was for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.